Hi, welcome back. We are solving some examples as of properties of triangles. We'll continue in this session too. So we have around 3 to 4 simple problems. We'll try to solve them applying just the concepts whatever we have learned. We have to prove that a square plus b square minus c square by c square plus a square minus b square equal to tan b by tan c. Okay, right. Now what is tan b by tan c? Sin b by cos b, and okay, so this looks like cos b, part of cos b. This also looks like part of cos c. What I am saying is, if I look at the formula for cos of b by law of cosines, that's nothing but equal to c square plus, this is lowercase always, c square plus a square minus b square by 2ac, and also cos of c is equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. So what we will do, we'll try to convert them into whatever is given to us. We'll try to convert them into cos by dividing with 2ab and multiplying with 2ab. So what I will write this as, I will write it as a square plus b square minus c square. This whole thing I will divide with 2ab. That means I should multiply with 2ab. So I will say multiply and divide, or okay, right. Similarly, I will have here c square plus a square minus b square by 2ac. I will multiply with 2ac. So you can see that this is nothing but equal to 2ab by 2ac into this whole part, a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. This part we have just seen that it's nothing but equal to cos c. So I can go ahead and write it as cos c, cos of c divided by, this is nothing but cos of b. That's nothing but equal to 2a cancels, b is nothing but 2r sine of capital B, which you are aware. Then I have cos of c. What I have done? I have leveraged the law of sines, which says that b equal to 2r into sine b. b is equal to 2r into sine b. I have converted b from measure side to angle, 2r into sine of b. Similarly, c equal to 2r into sine of c, multiply that with cos of b. Now 2r cancels out. Now see what I have here, sin b by cos b, that is nothing but tan b, and if cos c comes down, it will be, or you can say cos c by sin c is cot c. Okay, let me write it one more step. I will say tan b into cot c. That's nothing but equal to tan of b by tan of c. So how we have done that? We have looked at that this piece seems to be part of the cos b cos c formula. So we have multiplied and divided with that values to convert this into cos values, either cos of c or cos of b. And we observed that we are left out with b by c, which we can again convert into angles, because we know by law of sines b by sin b equal to 2r, and also c by sin c equal to 2r. If you simplify that, we will get tan b by tan c. Now let's go to the next problem. Okay. The next problem is b plus c cos a. Now what I will do, I will just expand them. I will see what is that. I will say b cos of a plus c cos of a plus c cos of b plus a cos of b plus a cos of c plus b cos of c. If you remember the projection rules say that b cos a plus a cos b equal to c. So this and this, if I add that, is nothing but equal to c. Similarly, c cos a plus a cos c is equal to b. Similarly, c cos b plus b cos c is equal to a. That's nothing but equal to a plus b plus c. So you can see it's just a simple substitution of projection rules. So you can see that in the first one we have used both law of sines and law of cosines. Now we have used the projection rules. Let's go to the next problem. Show that b cos square c by 2 plus c cos square b by 2 equal to s. So I should remember immediately what are the off angle formulas. If you remember what is cos square c by 2, we know that cos square c by 2, since I am squaring it, there will not be any square root, and cos will have s into what is that, s minus c, whatever we are interested in, divided by, it will have ab. Similarly, cos square, you can refer to that. Similarly, cos square b by 2 equal to s into s minus, we are interested in b, divided by whatever left out, that is ac. Now if I simply substitute that, it should be perfectly fine. So let's go ahead and do that. So I will say b into cos square c by 2 is s into s minus c divided by ab plus c into s into s minus b divided by ac. You can see that b cancels here, c cancels here, and the LCM is a. So I can take a common, and I also see that this is nothing but s into s minus c. I will write it again, s into s minus c plus s into s minus b. Now I can take s also common, s by a into s minus c plus s minus b, that is nothing but 2s minus of b plus c. This is nothing but equal to s by a into a, that's equal to s. 2s minus of b plus c equal to a, because, why? Because 2s equal to a plus b plus c, that is the formula. So that gives me 2s minus of b plus c equal to a. Let's go to the last problem. If 4, 5 are two sides of a triangle and included angle is 60 degrees, find the area. If 4, 5 are two sides of a triangle and included angle is 60 degrees. If you remember, when we are going through the area of a triangle, we said if you know two sides and the included angle, there is a easy formula. The formula is, let us say if this is a and b, the included angle will be c, because the sides are a and b. So certainly you cannot have them. So this is nothing but of ab into sine c, direct substitution, that is of into 4 into 5 into sine 60, that's nothing but root 3 by 2. So 2 2's are 4, 4 cancels out. I will have root 3, 5 root 3, 5 root 3 cm square or meter square, whatever it is, square units. Okay. These are some simple examples what we have looked into. In the next session, we will try to slowly increase the complexity and go to the intermediate level problems. Thanks for visiting. Bye for now. See you in the next video.